I'm sure it needs that Somali Tosai. People think that it's not a pentatonic scale. It could be a pentatonic scale and it could not be. Because originally it has been composed in Sheikh school by Ali Mire, was a teacher. The tune was a Sudani tune, and it has been brought here by a singer, Daoud Timayare. He sang it. Later on, Qasim Hilole, both of them have died, has sung it. And during that time, it has been, when Qasim Hilole sang it, the tune has been changed. Little different, but at the same time, it's... You have asked me when I learned the lute, whether I change the tones or the strings and the tuning of the strings. I told you all music are the same. And now when I'm playing this, I can give you an example. It could be played, I can sing it with an Arabic tone, and at the same time I can play with it the Somali. When it's full tone, this full scale, but in Somali pentatonic scale, we always miss half notes. We don't use, because our ears cannot grasp it, and it's played just like this. La, 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 kaas mid buu ahaa, mid kale wuxuu ahaa عفاف سنعي سلو كوي من سدح مالتو قدوي وسيدا كديغن سفكها تيري سوما بأندينو سعفاف سنعي سلو كوي من سدح مالتو قدوي وسيدا كديغن سفكها it's called, nobody has given them a name, but it's well known as Sa'a Farsanai. Sa'a Farsanai. And it means if a cow refuses to go to, say, watering place, which has got a very bad smell, when that cow after 3 days, when she gets tired.